That's what I say to people when they're considering outsourcing. It's like, it's not just you throw them the keys, it's a process. It takes a while, but once you get it locked in, you then have a team of multiple people that can edit for you, and just the weight that that takes off your shoulders is far more worth its weight than gold.
My experience working with Bride&Groom.video has been nothing short of mind-blowingly excellent. From me being able to tell them, hey, here's what I'm looking for, and them being able to take that instruction and just run with it and create truly fantastic edits that look amazing, so good.
My first experience with Bride&Groom.video was fantastic. They were super communicative. They listened to exactly what I had to say about sort of my style and what the look I wanted and how I wanted my videos edited. I was able to send them reference footage, show them my portfolio, and have in-depth discussion so that the end product was exactly what I wanted it to be.
A lot of people's hesitancy is, how can I actually deliver a good film to my final clients if I'm not doing the editing for myself? But what I found after working with them for so long is that I'm actually giving a better experience to my clients. Using Bride&Groom has been a complete game changer for us. Like, I now can actually have a life